has to be like bent for it to even register as a PCB. So we're not going to test it until like we're done with the build, basically. I don't want to subject the port to any more stress. How am I liking the frog so far? It's good. It's good. I mean, it's still unlubed and completely stock because it's not yet broken in, but it's good. Hey, there's the plate. Let's get rid of this. Hot air gun on port. Imagine thinking I have tools. Yeah, nice one. All right, so this goes like this. Nice, another hair, nice, another hair, nice. Any more hairs, Avail? Time to lube up some switches. They are already lubed. What we will do is stabs. I'm gonna split his right shift, so it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3 2Us, and then a single 7U, which should theoretically fit. We'll find out. Nice job trimming your pubes where you stream. Bro, I wish my pubes were that long and straight. Alright, so we should have... fuck, I lost count. We have 1, 2, 3 2Us. And then... Okay, so 4 stabs total. Simon caught flipping live on stream, fucking exposed. Yes, we will check the bottom row with caps. In any case, I don't have a 6.25p spacebar in my house. Literally doesn't exist, so... See you there. All right, let's prep our stabilizers. But wait, Simon, stabilizers take so long. Why can't you just have a massive brain? That's a really, really good point. Balls. All right, so here's our backspace. These are already lubed. Here is our enter. Poggies. And here is our left shift. Poggies. And then here is our spacebar. There we go. Okay, we did stabs. We're a god. Please lube on stream. I mean, they're already done. I yoinged them from another build, which I don't remember what build it was. All right, we want to test the bottom row to make sure that it's functional. So we're going to do a Christian bottom row. So that is 1.51, 1.57, and then I assume 1.25, 1.25. Let's find out. Let us find out. All right, this side, the left side, should be fairly simple. I'm not even going to use the. No, I should use the plate. No, fuck it. Not using the plate. No, I should use the plate. I should use the plate. All right. We just want to test if the bottom row is functional with a 7U. Because if it is functional with the 7U, that means that every single degenerate had the option to build it with a 7U and just flat out didn't. Shit, I'm gonna need a spacebar for this. Oh look, my brain is huge. It's already right here. Yep, to the right. Too far to the right. One more to the left. Yep, that's 7U. Okay. 1.5, 1.57, 1.5, 1.5, you think so? We're gonna find out with this spacebar. Nice. And then this looks like this would be 1.5, 1.5. Let us validate with some actual keycaps. Do I like CRP over GMK? I have no idea. I have never tried CRP. Nice, we got an alt-ger. my favorite alt. I prefer CRP pricing over GMK, which is why I purchased it. There we go. Okay, so this is a functional bottom row. 1.51, 1.57, 1.5, 1.5. Fits perfectly. Now we're going to validate that it fits with the top, because I don't want any unexpected nonsense. So let's put the top on it. Let's make sure it's in the right spot. Yep. Okay, we're good. We are good. Let's validate that this is 1.51, 1.5. I generally don't have to validate, but I just want to make extra sure. Eid is going to be announced in a few hours. I mean, I'm already on break. I thought they already announced it. Whatever, that's a 1U. I don't care. Let's just grab these. We know they're good. Alright, bam, bam. We are good. We have a functional bottom row, so we don't need this modding pad anymore. And we can actually proceed to shoving the switches in the holes really hard. What is Eid? It just means holiday. I think. Or holy day, whatever. There is a Muslim holiday. I don't know what it is, but I'm not working. Alright. Let's make sure that all of these are firmly grasped by the plate and PCB. Okay, that one wasn't in. Alright, we're good. Not working mean more stream. I mean, I didn't work today. I'm not working Friday, but my schedule is my schedule. What are we building today? A very cursed keyboard. It's better if you don't ask questions. What switches are these? These are Gateron Giants that have been cursed. Okay? Again, don't ask questions. It's better if you don't know. Did I get a new PCB? Nope, I did not. I told H I will do the entire build, you will replace the port. It's not my fucking problem that the port is dead. Alright, get one over here. Then get one somewhere in the mid board, over here and over here. So these are just to keep my PCB correctly attached to my plate. I want to put a decent amount of force when I assemble this, because big PP in small hole. Oh, another hair. Alright, nice. And we just fill up the rest. This is all 1U, right? Yes, everything's 1U, fuck it. I'm just gonna try and get some decent coverage, so when I insert the final switches, the plate actually holds its position. When are we gonna hear the mosque getting lit during the Simon stream? I don't know. I don't know how the schedules work for the mosque. Like, I know like the approximate times, but if it's a holiday, they do like extra prayers. So I don't know. But it's in the morning, I think. At like 7 AM. I don't stream until like 6:30 PM. Let's get a little bit more coverage. Get one of these boyos over here. Shove it in the hole real good. Come on, get in there. Oh yeah. What is the sound of this? Oh, it's my brother. We were talking about stonks, and I'm just like, bro, don't come to the market today. He made a mistake. He came to the market today. Alright, let's have a little bit of tea. I don't like... Is the ISO auto? Is the ISO auto? Let's find out. No, it's not. Can we make it brighter? Wait, it was auto. That's the wrong button. Oh no, I'm on the wrong side. Fucking bamboozled. Get over there, you little bitch. Fucking trying to be on the left side of the screen and shit. What is the cutout above the arrow keys for? This is for design. Wait, I still haven't had my tea. Motherfucker. Wow, it's already like half cold. Can you not see that this is design? It's a nonsensical fucking layout. What kind of tea am I drinking? It is Twinings Earl Grey tea. There's holes there. Are they hooked up to anything? No. No. They're literally just holes. I assume they're for LED like indicators. So you can have your